Like,
son, yeah, man. We doing a whole interview like this, bro.
y'all are really like matching though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't even know how we did that. Like,
what's going on, you guys? It's your girl Ahriel Nari, and guess who I'm here with? FootsXColes. Talk to the people.
She's here with FootsXColes. We ain't playing with y'all. Y'all better show my girl some love, man. She be going hard on the YouTube, on the Squeezer, and all that Twitter.
Introduce yourself to the people.
I'm Foots.
And I'm Kool.
And we are B2K. No. We're FootsXColes, and we're a collective, and we play all sorts of music, different vibrations, you know, we create, and you're actually on our team. Do they know that?
No.
Okay, but are you gonna let them know that?
I don't know.
Okay, it's on you. Anyway, regardless if you guys know or don't know, we're FootsXColes, and we make a lot of music, and we're here with Ahriel and Nari.
So for viewers at home who have never heard your music, how would you describe your sound?
I would give it, I hate saying this all the time, but I would say like it's driving in the car music when you're just chilling, just vibing. Very chill, but soulful. It's like Foot said, we touch a lot of genres too, so it's not really a box you can put it in, you know.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Non-boxed.
How did you two meet?
We met at Kool State.
We met at Kool State, yeah, on the campus.
We actually had a class together, and we music tech majors, had the same professors. Eventually we had a mutual friend, and then we ended up linking with him and creating a band. There's more to it, that's short.
Yeah.
So who are each of your musical influences?
I tore him off like last 5 years. He's been like one of my favorite artists, and he's a friend of ours as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Thundercat. Cole's got me hit the Thundercat some years ago. Flying Lotus, Kendrick. I mean, I like a lot of old music as well, old funk, old disco.
I would say, including all those artists that you named, I would add, as a band, I think we're influenced by like groups like Home Shake, Harambe.
Man, we listened to a lot of Herbie Hancock.
Yeah, Herbie. But even early, like early 2000s, when John Legend, you know, Kanye was making the hits. I do a lot of it.
So it is a real Mumbo tradition to ask what your top 5 albums are. Go.
So my top 5 albums, it will change every day of the week, but right now I would say Anything in Return, Tori and Juan. That was like a really good album. Marvin Gaye, I Want You. It was great. Blueprint, Jay-Z. Alright, then we're getting to that top 2. I'm gonna put Good Kid, Mad City at 2.
Okay.
Because it was, that was like the first album that I can honestly say was like a movie.
Yeah.
For me, this might shock a lot of people, but Kid Cudi's Man on the Moon.
Nah, that doesn't shock me.
Alright, but that joint, a lot of people would never understand how Cudi's sound influenced music, so that's me.
I don't know. Let me see. Of course, Kendrick is High Pepper Butterfly, because I just like the fact that he had Terrence Martin and Thundercat, like
legendary, yeah.
Knowledge, like that whole album was just nuts. Then I would say Graduation, Kanye, just because of the different feels. Like I feel like Good Life and all those singles he had on there, like nobody wasn't doing it at that time.
That's true.
I would say the Golden Apocalypse by Thundercat. That's his first album. That joint.
I knew you were gonna say one of those.
I can't think of it. I'm gonna give you one more. I'm gonna say John Legend gave it.
Alright, I can work with that.
I'm gonna say Common V.
I was gonna say Common V.
Okay. Do you guys know how to play Two Truths and a Lie? Okay. Alright, so 2 Truths and a Lie is a game that we play where we're going to go around and each person says 3 statements. 2 truths and a lie. And the other 2 people have to guess which one is the lie.
Okay. Alright, you want me to go first?
Sure.
I got it. Alright, so here we go. My first sport was soccer. My favorite food is pizza. And I had a dog named Foxy.
I'm gonna go with pizza. That's
Yeah, that's good. I legit had a dog named Foxy. My first sport was, so I tell Kool that all the time.
Yeah.
That's how I got good in basketball. I used to hoop. And then he was like at my feet. And football got me good. And then I did have a dog named Foxy, but pizza's not my favorite.
What's your favorite food?
Smoothies. I'll make that one.
All right,
Okay.
you ready?
I only attended 3 schools in my whole life. Like which school? My first college was Jetta. My last I'm
I'm gonna go with Jetta.
I'm gonna go with the school.
Ah!
And you know how I knew? Because I knew it. He is good at video games.
I mean, I knew that.
Man, I'm good at every video game. I thought I was good at that and he smashed me. Dang. I was like, I thought I was getting good, bro. He was beating me with ease.
You want mine?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I've been playing piano since I was 4. I was on a Life cereal box as a child. I graduated from college summa cum laude.
Life cereal box. Actually, I take that
I
back.
think the last
Piano.
one.
I think piano. I think she graduated soon from Lottie.
Already
smart.
piano.
What was the Life cereal box?
Dang!
So you know play piano?
I do.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to read music?
Yes.
Bro?
Yeah, I'm actually like classic teacher.
What? This whole time we never knew that.
I know.
You know like actually like play like pieces?
Yes. Like Moonlight, Sonata, all of that.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How come you never said nothing?
You didn't ask me.
How come you never got on piano?
That's not my role. I'm not in the bed.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so the last time we sat down together, Sitting in Outer Space had just dropped.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are, it's a year later. How do you guys feel and what learning experiences did you gain since dropping that album?
Just learning how to be patient and just letting your music grow and letting fans receive it for what it is. And just learning everything's a process.
Sitting in outer space, I mean, we feel good. People still receiving the music. People find it every day and listen to it every day. So I'm thankful.
I listen to it every day.
Yeah. Spotify, iTunes.
All right. Okay, so what has y'all's favorite performance been so far?
I would say the joint, it wasn't an actual show, the DJ set. The joint that we tore up.
That was fun.
That was y'all.
That joint was lit.
Yeah, that joint was
Hold on, tell me about this.
You don't remember that?
No.
Yeah, me and Kool, I DJ, he play keys. That's like another thing that we kind of offer and do, along with like the work that we do with other artists in the area. But it was just fun.
You guys just dropped your latest single, Creep,
Mm-hmm.
and it's kind of a departure from the sound we heard on Sitting in Outer Space. How did you guys decide what sound you wanted to go with?
I gotta give Kool the credit on that.
For the single that we dropped, Creep, I don't even know if we had Happy Home like in
Even thought of.
Yeah, like I sent Foots a track called Spellbound by the Barclays, and it has a similar groove like that.
Yeah.
Swag. And I remember Foots was saying like he wants to really incorporate live instrumentation in our music, and Sitting in Outer Space is just really like all studio.
Yeah,
You know, synthesizers. Yeah, exactly. So I was like, bro, we gotta steal this groove, make it our own.
Got you. So speaking of inspiration, what or who inspired Creep?
Honestly, nothing.
Yeah.
It was like we just attacked the writing different. It's not like we out here creeping around.
Yeah.
We just want to attack the writing different. We wanted to make people think and kind of jam their brain, but in a different way, instead of like, oh, I'm cheating on my girl, something like that that's like so direct. We wanted to think of it like, nah, you know what I'm saying? That's what we try to do with our writing.
Like just keep it open.
Keep it open.
Like open for interpretation. Like whatever our listeners do think, I like to hear what they think.
Facts.
Yeah. I don't like to tell people what our songs are about.
Mm-hmm.
So the upcoming album is called A Happy Home.
Yeah.
Where did that concept come from?
We wanted our album to put you in that home. You know, what's happening, honestly.
We wanted it to feel like a Saturday morning and you vacuuming. Yeah.
I also saw on YouTube you guys had a behind the scenes for the album called Smoothie Days.
Mm-hmm.
And if y'all don't know, they make smoothies that are like bussin'. So, what is your favorite smoothie recipe?
Like that's my thing. I like to make smoothies for people. We've done events based on smoothies. Like that's how I think. So my favorite joint. I mean, I do like a kale, strawberry, banana, little oats. But I can really make any smoothie. I'm a smoothieologist. I know I made like a blueberry peanut butter.
I was about to say that's my favorite.
That blueberry peanut butter
with
crazy.
with the
almond milk
and that
little honey. Trust me.
Right.
I was gonna say that's
It go crazy. The thotty apple pie is crazy. Nah. So it's like an apple pie. It's supposed to taste like apple pie, but it's just apples, oats, vanilla almond milk, honey, little. You could throw like some almonds in there too. It's good.
So what's next for FootsXColes?
Happy Home, performing. 3/8. We're at Union Stage with Oh He Did. We're going to North Carolina and Philly in the middle of February. So just shows.
All right.
A couple more projects.
Yep, couple more projects.
Yeah.
Working with people.
Yeah, we're working with I'm trying to do a project with Odd Mojo
And Alex Vaughn. Do something with me. You could break that news.
Yeah.
We want to work. We've been working with Matt McGee a lot lately.
Yeah.
He's a great artist. He's super dope.
Yeah.
And then it's just a bunch of artists in the DC area that we want to work with. So, I mean, whoever wants to lock in, we can do it.
Let the people know where they can connect with you, like socials and all that.
Okay. Well, you can find us on Instagram, Spotify, Apple Music, Twitter, Facebook, Bandcamp, all that. At FootsXColes. I'm gonna repeat that.
So silly.
FootsXColes. FootsXColes. Don't forget the capital F, X, and C. Please. Thank you. And check out our Bandcamp, and we also got the Big Cartel as well, selling our merch. That's very important. That's how you support us.
Any last words? Anything else?
Nah, shout out to you, Ari.
Yeah, Ari, she's amazing.
Shout out to Ari.
It's a blessing.
And just, anybody out there doing their thing, just keep working. You may not see it, you may not know what's happening, but it's happening.
All right, y'all boys, that's it for me today. I will see you guys next time. Peace.